Everyone thinks the best-selling smartphone camera lens kits are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Meow Lab 11-in-1 Kit. The Meow Lab 11-in-1 phone camera lens kit caught my eye with its diverse range of lenses at just $27.99. If you want to unlock your phone's full photography potential, this is worth a serious look. This kit includes a super wide-angle lens, macro lens, fisheye lens, and several color filters. The 140 degrees super wide-angle lens allows for breathtaking landscapes or group shots, while the macro lens lets you capture intricate details up close. With over 2,200 reviews and a solid 4-star rating, it's clear that many are enjoying its versatility. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking to get creative with your photography, these filters can dramatically change the mood of your images. Here's the thing though, as long as you align it properly, it stays put, and it's a minor trade-off for the variety you get. This is perfect for you if you're a budding photographer who loves to experiment with different styles. Skip this one if you just need a basic lens and don't want to deal with multiple attachments. At this price point, the value is clear. Now, if the Meow Lab's complexity worried you, the next one offers a simpler approach. Product number 2, Alun 3-in-1 Clip-On Lens. The Alun 3-in-1 clip-on lens surprised me with its affordability at just $6.98. If you're on a tight budget but still want to enhance your photography, this is worth a serious look. This compact kit includes a fisheye, wide-angle, and macro lens, making it a great starter for anyone wanting to dip their toes into mobile photography. The 180 degrees fisheye lens creates stunning circular images, while the macro lens lets you capture tiny details in ways your regular camera can't. With about 5,000 reviews and a solid 4-star rating, it's clear that this kit is quite popular. Here's why this matters for you. Its easy-to-use clip-on design ensures you can switch lenses without hassle, perfect for spontaneous shooting. However, some users reported that the macro lens can be tricky to focus. I'll be real with you, this might frustrate you if you're not patient with manual adjustments. But for those who enjoy the process of getting that perfect shot, it's not a deal-breaker. This is perfect for casual photographers or those new to mobile photography. Skip this one if you're looking for high-end results right out of the box. The low price makes it an easy investment to try out. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for specific needs. Product number 3, Meow Lab 5-in-1 Kit. Next up is the Meow Lab 5-in-1 phone camera lens kit priced at $21.99. If you want a mix of versatility and quality without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This kit features a 198 degrees fisheye, 0.63x wide angle, and 15x macro lens, offering a great range for different photography styles. The anti-slip clip design ensures stability while shooting, which is essential if you're in a moving environment. It's garnered over 2,200 reviews and holds a strong 4-star rating. Here's why this matters for you. The unique lens design minimizes distortion, allowing you to capture professional quality shots right from your smartphone. Now, some users commented on the difficulty of attaching the clip correctly. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature, and the quality you get is worth the learning curve. This is perfect for amateur photographers and students looking to explore their creativity. Skip this one if you don't want to deal with a bit of setup. You get a lot of bang for your buck here. Now, if you want something focused purely on macro photography, the next product is definitely worth considering. Product number 4, APE-XCL Macro Lens. Now let's talk about the APE-XCL Professional Macro Photography Lens priced at $29.65. If you're serious about capturing detailed close-ups, this is worth a serious look. This macro lens is crafted from high-quality glass with multiple layers to enhance clarity and reduce distortion. It's designed specifically for close-up shots and offers a working distance of around 1.527 inches. Here's why this matters for you. If you want to take stunning close-ups of flowers, insects, or any tiny details, this lens is a game changer. However, a few users noted that it doesn't work well for distant subjects. Here's the thing, this lens is really meant for macro photography, so if that's your goal, the limitation is actually a benefit, keeping you focused on what it does best. This is perfect for anyone passionate about macro photography or nature lovers. Skip this one if you're looking for an all-in-one solution. The investment is worth it if you're passionate about the detail in your shots. Alright, that was an incredible option for macro lovers. But if you want versatility without the hassle, the last product might catch your eye. Product number 5, LEKNES 3-in-1 Lens Kit. Finally, we have the LEKNES 3-in-1 phone lens kit at just $9.99. If you want a no-fuss, straightforward lens kit, this is worth a serious look. This kit includes a 198 degrees fisheye macro lens and a 120 degrees wide angle, all designed for easy use and quick switching. With around 3,800 reviews and a solid 4-star rating, it's clear many are enjoying this simplicity. Here's why this matters for you. If you want to capture both sweeping landscapes and up-close subjects without hassle, this kit covers all bases. Some users mentioned that compatibility can be tricky with some models. But honestly, if you're using it on a popular smartphone, you should be fine. Just double-check before purchasing. This is perfect for casual shooters or anyone who wants something simple and effective. Skip this one if you have specific requirements for lens compatibility. At this price, it's hard to go wrong. Now, let's wrap things up with a quick comparison of all these great options. So to recap, we have the Meow Lab 11-in-1 kit for versatility, the affordable Alun 3-in-1 for budget-conscious users, the Meow Lab 5-in-1 for a balance of quality and range, the APEXCL macro lens for detail enthusiasts, and the LEKNES 3-in-1 for simplicity. Each has its strengths tailored for different needs. Choose the one that fits your photography style best.